Dry skin can be frustrating, especially when you're constantly on the hunt for the right solution. If you've been searching for the best creams to tackle dry skin, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 top-rated moisturizers: Eucerin Advanced Repair, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream, Neutrogena Hydro Boost, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and Vaseline Intensive Care. These creams are trusted by many for their hydrating benefits, and we'll break down why each one might be the right choice for your skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Eucerin Advanced Repair. The Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream is a heavy-duty solution designed to treat dry, rough skin. This product combines effective moisturizing with a gentle, fast-absorbing formula, making it a great option for those needing more than just a light hydration. It's especially beneficial for individuals dealing with skin conditions like eczema, as it helps restore moisture to dry and damaged skin. Eucerin's reputation in skincare makes it a go-to product for those with persistent dryness. Key features: Eucerin Advanced Repair is formulated with ceramides, a key component in maintaining your skin's natural barrier. It also includes urea, which is known to gently exfoliate dry skin, improving its texture. The formula is fragrance-free, so it's ideal for sensitive skin. The 48-hour moisture claim makes it a long-lasting solution, and it's dermatologist recommended for its ability to lock in moisture and provide intense hydration. Benefits and usage: this cream works wonders for those who need to treat and repair dry skin quickly. The unique combination of urea and ceramides helps replenish moisture and prevent further dryness, making your skin feel smoother and more hydrated. Apply it after a shower or bath, especially to areas like elbows, knees, and hands, where dry patches tend to appear. The long-lasting effects make it a solid choice for daily use to keep skin soft and hydrated all day long. Usability: the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream is non-greasy and fast-absorbing, so it won't leave you feeling sticky or oily. A little goes a long way, and its thick consistency ensures that you're not constantly reapplying. It's a fantastic moisturizer for both day and night use, and its hypoallergenic nature makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Durability: the durability of this cream is impressive. With the 48-hour moisture claim, you can expect your skin to stay hydrated for an extended period. The thick formula ensures that even after washing your hands or going through your daily routine, your skin retains moisture and doesn't dry out quickly. Over time, you should see noticeable improvements in skin texture and moisture levels. In the second spot, we have CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream has become a household name for those seeking reliable hydration without breaking the bank. This body lotion is packed with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and essential fatty acids that work together to restore the skin's natural barrier. CeraVe's reputation for dermatologist-recommended products makes this cream a trusted go-to for dry skin sufferers everywhere. It's designed to hydrate and restore your skin's moisture, making it suitable for both face and body use. Key features: CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream stands out due to its unique formula containing 3 essential ceramides, which help to repair and strengthen the skin's barrier. Hyaluronic acid attracts moisture to the skin, ensuring long-lasting hydration. The formula is also non-greasy, fragrance-free, and suitable for sensitive skin, making it gentle on even the most delicate skin types. Benefits and usage: ideal for daily use, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream offers immediate relief from dry skin and helps prevent future dryness. The combination of ceramides and hyaluronic acid works together to restore and maintain moisture, keeping your skin soft and hydrated throughout the day. It's best used after bathing or showering, locking in moisture while your skin is still damp. You'll notice smoother, healthier-looking skin with regular use. Usability: the texture of CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Cream is thick, but absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving behind a greasy residue. It's easy to apply and provides lasting moisture throughout the day. This cream is suitable for the entire body, including your face, making it versatile for your skincare routine. Its gentle, non-irritating formula ensures it's safe for those with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema. Durability. CeraVe is known for its long-lasting effects, and this cream is no exception. The moisturizing benefits last throughout the day, keeping skin soft and hydrated without the need for reapplication. As with any product, regular use leads to improved skin texture, so consistency is key. Over time, you'll notice that your skin feels healthier and more resilient to. Coming in at number 3 is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a game-changer in skincare for dry skin. This lightweight, gel-based moisturizer offers intensive hydration, thanks to its water-based formula that absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling fresh and plump. It's especially known for its innovative use of hyaluronic acid, which holds moisture in the skin for long-lasting hydration. Ideal for those who like the feeling of a moisturizer that doesn't feel heavy or greasy, this cream provides effective relief for dry skin without clogging pores. Key features. The key ingredient in Neutrogena Hydro Boost is hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin and helps retain it. This fast-absorbing gel formula is oil-free, making it a perfect choice for people with combination skin. It's also non-comedogenic, so it won't block pores, and it's fragrance-free, which means it's suitable for sensitive skin as well. Benefits and usage. Neutrogena Hydro Boost is excellent for hydrating dry skin and keeping it moisturized throughout the day. Its gel texture is ideal for those who prefer a lighter feel on their skin compared to traditional creams. It's best used after cleansing your face or body, as it helps lock in moisture and gives an instant burst of hydration. Its long-lasting effects ensure your skin remains soft and smooth for hours. Usability. The gel formula of Neutrogena Hydro Boost is incredibly lightweight and non-greasy, making it ideal for daytime use. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a fresh, non-oily finish. It's perfect for people who want hydration without the heaviness of thicker creams, and its versatility means it can be used both on the face and body. Durability. Neutrogena Hydro Boost provides impressive hydration, with results that last for hours. Although it doesn't offer the deep, rich moisture of a cream, its water gel consistency still ensures your skin stays hydrated without feeling weighed down. Regular use can help maintain moisture balance, especially for those with combination or oily skin who struggle with dryness in certain areas. Taking our 4th spot is Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is one of the most well-known and trusted moisturizers for dry skin. Its key ingredient, colloidal oatmeal, is celebrated for its ability to soothe and hydrate dry skin while providing a barrier against moisture loss. This lotion is formulated to restore the skin's natural moisture balance, leaving skin soft and smooth. With a light, non-greasy texture, Aveeno is a great choice for anyone looking for daily moisture that doesn't feel heavy. Key features. Aveeno's formula is enriched with oat extract, which helps retain moisture while soothing irritated skin. It's also fragrance-free, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. This lotion is fast-absorbing and provides immediate relief from dry skin, making it ideal for everyday use. The 24-hour hydration claim is backed by the unique oatmeal formula, which locks in moisture all day long. Benefits and usage. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is perfect for anyone who needs everyday hydration. It helps to restore the skin's moisture balance, prevent moisture loss, and keep skin feeling soft and smooth. It's great for use after showers, and you can apply it liberally to all areas of your body. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin, and with regular use, you'll notice more hydrated, supple skin. Usability. The lotion has a light, silky texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's easy to apply and suitable for use both in the morning and at night. Aveeno is gentle enough to be used on the face or body, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. Its fragrance-free formula ensures that it won't irritate sensitive skin. Durability. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion delivers long-lasting hydration for 24 hours. With regular use, you'll notice smoother and softer skin that stays moisturized throughout the day. The lightweight texture doesn't weigh down the skin, so you can confidently use it as part of your daily routine for consistent results. And finally, at number 5, we have Vaseline Intensive Care. Vaseline Intensive Care is a rich, deeply hydrating lotion that's perfect for restoring moisture to dry skin. The product combines Vaseline's famous petroleum jelly with a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly and provides lasting hydration. It's a great choice for those dealing with extremely dry patches or skin that requires an extra layer of moisture. Key features. The key ingredients in Vaseline Intensive Care are petroleum jelly and glycerin, which work together to lock in moisture and repair dry skin. The formula is lightweight, fast-absorbing, and provides 24-hour hydration. It also contains micro-droplets of Vaseline jelly, which help create a protective layer on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss. Benefits and usage. Vaseline Intensive Care is perfect for anyone dealing with extremely dry skin. Its deep moisturizing formula helps to heal and protect the skin, making it ideal for problem areas like elbows, knees, and feet. Apply generously to dry skin areas, massaging it in until absorbed. With regular use, you'll see significant improvements in skin texture and hydration. Usability. Vaseline Intensive Care has a rich, creamy texture that's perfect for those in need of extra moisture. Despite its rich formula, it's lightweight and absorbs relatively quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's best applied to dry or rough areas, but it can also be used as an all-over body lotion for intense hydration. Durability. Vaseline Intensive Care provides long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. Regular use will result in smoother, more supple skin, and the protective layer left on your skin will help maintain moisture throughout the day. It's an excellent choice for those in need of consistent, intense hydration for dry skin. And that wraps up our review of the best creams for dry skin. Whether you're dealing with rough patches, need something for sensitive skin, or simply want a daily hydrating solution, there's a product on this list that can work wonders for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so be sure to pick the one that best suits your needs and stick with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert reviews. Thanks for watching, and take care of your skin.